inflation remains stubbornly high and a recession is looming. If you're looking to reduce some financial stress, you might want to consider creating a passive income stream. Fortunately, the internet makes this easier than you'd think. There are dozens of ways to make money online without any special training. I will tell you top 11 passive income ideas to help you make extra cash online. But before we start, make sure to subscribe my channel and press that bell icon. Number 1. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube creators can make a lot of money, and it doesn't necessarily require much expertise. You can create how-to or explainer videos on virtually any subject or go more personal and put yourself in the videos. The important thing is to find a niche and build a following. Number 2. Become a transcriptionist. If you're a fast typer, you might consider doing some online transcription for cash. You'll simply need to listen to audio files and then type out what you hear. You get paid per piece, so the faster you can type, the better, at least, financially speaking. Number 3. Become a virtual assistant. More work than ever is being done online following the shift to working from home. It makes sense, then, that remote help will be needed. You can work for a business in need from the comfort of your home office. The work needed varies, from writing to social media management to traditional bookkeeping, so look around for something that fits your skills and background. Number 4. Buy and sell domain names. If you're web savvy, then consider purchasing and then selling domain names. Sites can help complete the sale via an online auction. Or just simply buy names you think may be interesting in the future. You can then put your contact information on those URLs and offer to sell them to anyone looking to buy. Number 5. Develop apps. Whether it's an iPhone or Android, it's got apps and everyone's got one in their pocket. If you have a lightbulb moment that addresses a need that people have, then create an app that meets that need. It could be a new way to store photos or a podcast download organizer. Number 6. Work as freelancer writer. Do you love expressing yourself with words? Writing could be the perfect job for you. The life of a writer allows you to work from home or anywhere as long as you have a computer, internet access, and a phone. There are tons of opportunities out there, whether working for online magazines and websites or writing for companies creating their blog posts, branded content, newsletters, or press releases. Number 7. Create your own course. I am sure you are an expert on something. Or at least you know more about a subject than most people you know. If that's the case, create an online course to share your knowledge. Right now, online courses are one of the absolute. The great thing about creating your own online course is that it can become a great resource. You have to do the hard work once, and then you can sell your course over and over again. Number 8. Become a travel agent. If you enjoy organizing trips, becoming a virtual travel agent may be the perfect way to make money from home. Travel agents have a super fun job. They get to around for the best deals on vacation packages and accommodations for their clients. You can help people plan family vacations, romantic honeymoon trips, and backpacking adventures. To assist you in the process, most travel agents partner with various companies to receive discounts to offer clients. Number 9. Flipping for profit. Flipping means buying things for cheap and selling them for more. This is a great way to because you can literally sell anything. You just need to love shopping online or in charity shops and know how to look for unique bargains that you can resell for a profit. You can start selling tech items, antiques, artwork, or furniture. Number 10. Design and sell your products and crafts. If you love to create and DIY, there's no reason why you shouldn't take a shot at selling your creations online. The challenging part may be figuring out and sell first. Start by considering what you're good at making. Then, think about what others would like and research the market for specific items. You don't have to be super crafty to make money from home with your own products. You can design your own products and commission someone else to make them for you and sell online. Number 11. Become a Twitch streamer. While Twitch started as a gaming platform, it's quickly evolving to include other types of content. Nowadays, Twitch streaming is an increasingly popular way to make money online. To make money fast on Twitch, you'll need to grow your following. If you're consistent, streaming on this platform can help you build a sizable audience fast. These are the best ways to make money online. But before you begin your passive income journey, it's important to understand what it means. Essentially, passive income is money you're making from a source or business other than your direct employer. It typically is a task or action performed on the side that doesn't require a lot of effort. Which online work suits you best? Let me know in comment box. I will soon meet you with another informative video.